Despite being at the third position in NIRF 2019, NIT Karnataka gives a really tough competition in terms of placement to NIT Trichy. So today we are taking a look at the placement of NIT Karnataka Surathkal. So these data are from 2017-18 session, and in 2017-18 total 256 companies visited NITK, and out of which 47 were new, and they recruited total 870 students. So this is the list of all the 256 companies, and they have stated how many students got placed in that particular company and what were the packages offered in both UG and PG. You can see first one being Microsoft. They recruited 22 students and the packages were 22.4 for both UG and PG. There's Over India, 36.6 LPA offered to one UG student. Oracle, 15 got recruited. Adobe, 3 got selected. Texas Instrument, 10. Samsung R&D, 36 with LPA 16 and 18 for UG and PG respectively. You can see the list is pretty long because it contains all the 256 companies that visited. There's Qualcomm, 29 got selected with 15.6 and 17.8 LPA. There's Dell. I have highlighted all the major companies. There's GE India, there's Goldman Sachs, there's Amazon, there's Citibank, Cypress Semiconductor, Walmart, JP Morgan, Nvidia, L&T, IBM, Wipro, Philips Innovation offered 6.5 and 7 LPA. Cisco offered 14.4 and 16 LPA for UG and PG, and only one got selected. McAfee, 10 were the LPS, 4 got selected. Toshiba, 2 got selected with 12 and 12.5 in UG and PG respectively. So the list goes on. You can see Western Digital, there's Infosys, there's ACL Technologies, there's BPCL, there's Fiat, Intel offered 12.5 and 15.5 LPA to UG and PG respectively, and total 9 were selected in Intel. L&T, 1 got selected with 4.9 LPA. Delta Power, 2 got selected with 5 and 7 LPA. ABB, I don't know why it's 0 but 5.5 LPA. Mercedes-Benz, 10. There's Cognizant, there's Tata Hitachi, there's HPCL, there's Volvo India, there's BAIL Bangalore, 8 students got selected, all from UG with 10 LPA. Boeing India, 4 students got selected with 8 LPA from UG. So this is the list of the total 256 companies, and total jobs offered were 940, and new organization, as I already said, were 47. So this is the branch wise placement of UG. Civil, 72 students were eligible, 56 got placed. In chemical, 36 out of 38. In computer science, 94 out of 94, 100% placement. In electronics and communication, 85 out of 94. Electrical and electronics, 80 out of 89. IT, 91 out of 93. Mechanical, 109 out of 123. Metallurgy, 26 out of 28. And mining, 33 out of 37. So out of 668 BTech students, 610 got placed, which is pretty impressive. So let's move to PG placement. In PG placement, first comes structural engineering, which is under civil engineering department. 9 got placed out of 24. Geotechnical engineering, 2 got placed only out of 13. Environmental, 6 got placed out of 24. Transportation, 2 got placed out of 17. All these were under civil engineering department. Construction technology and management, which is also under civil engineering, 3 got placed out of 17. Marine structure, 6 out of 12. Water resource, 1 out of 9. Remote sensing and GIS, 1 out of 16. These are all civil engineering branches. Industrial pollution control, 2 out of 5. Chemical plant design, 1 out of 5. You can see this computer science and engineering, 18 out of 19. Information security, this is specialized under computer science department, 22 out of 22 got placed. VLSI, 14 out of 21. Communication, 10 out of 17. Power and energy system, 6 out of 19. IT, 13 out of 15. Thermal engineering, 6 out of 13. Mechatronics, 10 out of 17. Manufacturing, 4 out of 13. Process metallurgy, 3 out of 4. There's material science, computational mathematics. So in masters, in MTech, basically 161 out of 355 got placed. We can see that the MTech placement is not really as par with the NIT Trichy, but it's pretty good. I mean, more than 50% placement in MTech is pretty impressive. Let's move on to MCA. Out of 82, 67. MBA out of 40, 27. MSc out of 10, 4. MSc Physics out of 4, 1. So total 1159 PG students, 870 got placed, and 63 students got placed in 2 companies out of the total 870 students. Now let's take a look at which branch got placed in, and now let's take a look at the branch wise placement of all the companies. So you can see in Microsoft, out of 22, 14 were CS and 8 were IT. Uber India, only CS. Oracle, CS IT EC. Adobe, CS IT. Texas Instrument, EC EEE, and in Masters VLSI. Samsung R&D, CS IT EC. Qualcomm, IT EC EEE, and Masters IT VLSI. Computational Mathematics, Computer Science Engineering, Information Security, and Communication Engineering. This one is not civil engineering, this is Communication Engineering under EC department. In Dell R&D, CS, Masters CS, Information Security, Computational Mathematics, and MCA. So this department wise breakup of all the companies. In Amazon, only 1 PG student from Information Security and UG student from CS, Mechanical, and Metallurgy. So there's Cypress Semiconductor, EEE, and it's DP, MediaTek, VLSI, and Communication, Walmart, Zero, JP Morgan, CS2, IT5, MCA5. So this is the same list of the companies, but here they have provided which branch got placed. So here also you can see I have highlighted all the major companies. Western Digital, only 1 CS guy got placed, and there's Axis Bank, Civil, Chemical, Mechanical, IT, all got placed. Infosys, only 1 from Masters, Information Security. BPCL, Chemical, Civil, Computer Science and Mechanical. Intel, EEE, EC, and Masters IT, Information Security, Computer Science, Computational Mathematics, Communication Engineering, and VLSI, all got placed in Intel. Mercedes-Benz, MCPES, these are all, I guess, mechanical engineering branches. This one is thermal. TCS, Tata Motors, mechanical and electrical only. Cognizant, 1 IT guy. That's Renault, 1 mechanical. Tata Hitachi, 1 mechanical. So the list goes on. So there is a list of the 256 companies. So here information of slots are given. In chemical engineering there were 62 slots, civil engineering 31, 63 in computer science, EC 50, EEE 73, IT 58, and so on. So guys, that's all about NITK Sarvatkal's placement. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.